Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see from the board that we are doing some solution related to quadratic equation, some word problem. We are doing some word problem related to quadratic equation. Hope you are able to see the board. Today we will also going to discuss that. So I am just taking one question. The number of item produced is x. We are taking like that. Okay, and cost per item we are taking cost per item is equal to twice x plus 3, that is given, twice x plus 3, that is 3 more than twice the number of item produced, okay, per day. This number of item produced per day is x per day. I am writing per day. Okay, now here it is given that if the total cost of production on that day, so total number of item produced is x and total cost per item is 2x plus 3. So total cost is rupees 90 per day. Okay, so according to the question, according to the problem, x into 2x plus 3, that's equals to how much? 90. Now from here 2x square plus thrice x equals to 90. 2x square plus thrice x minus 90 equal to 0. So 180 means minus 180, that is minus 180. So here it is 3 comes, understood? So if we again break it, that is minus 15 or plus 15. If we take 2x, that can break it up, plus 15 x minus 12x minus 90 equals to 0. Okay, so taking x as common, we are getting that 2x plus 15 minus taking 6 common. Okay, 2x plus 15, that's equals to 0. So here 2x plus 15 and x minus 6, that's equals to 0. Now if we solve it here, we are getting that x equals to minus 15 by 2 or x equals to how much? 6. Minus 15 by 2 or 6. Okay. So x, this value we eliminate. So x equals to how much? X equals to 6. So the number of articles produced and cost of the article. So the number of articles produced is 6 and cost is 2 into 6 plus 3, that is rupees 15 per article. Actually we are following in some NCERT question. Okay, regarding what problem from quadratic equation. Next move to another question. to solving this question, I have already draw a picture here, as you can see. Okay, this is the isosceles triangle whose height is 12 meter. Now its one side is length is x, so breadth is x minus 3. So obviously the area of the rectangle, this is question number 2. Obviously the area of the rectangle, that's equals to length is x, breadth is x minus 3, so x into x minus 3 square unit. Okay, now if we take the isosceles triangle, that is, if we name it A, B, this is C, this is D. If we take the isosceles triangle, area of the rectangle, isosceles triangle OBC. If we take the isosceles triangle OBC, we will get the area of triangle OBC, that's equals to half into base means x minus 3 into 12, okay, square unit. It is given in meter, so square meter obviously, SQ meter, and this is SQ meter. Understood? Now it is told that it will be 4 square meter more than the area of the park already been made. So according to the question, I am writing that area of the rectangle is equal to area of the triangle OBC plus 4. Okay, so area of the rectangle, that means x into x minus 3, that's equals to half into x minus 3 into 12 plus 4. So x into x minus 3, that's equal to 6 into x minus 3 plus 4. Okay, this is x square minus 3x, this is 6x minus 18 plus 4. X square minus 3x, this equals to minus 6x, this is plus 14 equals to 0. X square minus 9x plus 14 equal to 0. X square minus 7x minus 2x plus 14 equals to 0. X taking common, x minus 7 minus 2 common, x minus 7, that's equals to 0. X minus 7 and x minus 2. So value of x would be 7 and 2. So we have to find the length and the breadth. So the length is equal to 7 meter, breadth is equal to 7 minus 3, 4 meter. Okay, if we take this value x equal to 2, then length is okay, but breadth is equal to 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 meter. Okay, not possible, which is not possible. So we can't take this value, only we take the value of x like this. Okay, so next move to another question. So we have to told that we have to find the roots of this equation. Okay, you have to find the roots of this equation by completing square. Actually, I am following NCERT question. So this is together with math book of CBSE. So for completing square, so here first we take 4 as common. We are getting x square plus root 3x plus 3 by 4, that's equals to 0. This is x square plus root 3x plus 3 by 4 equals to 0. Now we are writing here x square plus, we are adjusting 2 into x into root 3 by 2, taking root 3 by 2 square here minus root 3 by 2 square, okay, plus 3 by 4. Understood? That's equals to 0. So this can be written as x plus root 3 by 2 whole square, and this is written as 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equals to 0. This can cancelize, so x plus root 3 by 2 whole square equals to 0. That means x equals to minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Okay, so the value of this are x equals to minus root 3 by 2. Hope you are able to understand it. Okay, so quickly move to another question. Hope you are able to see the question. So here in this question, this is I think question number 4. It's number 4. So in this question, the total marks is 30. That is math plus English. He has got how many marks? 30 marks in math and English. Okay. So if we take, he has got x in math, then 30 minus x in English. Okay. Now what is here told that had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would be 210. So obviously, according to the question, how many marks? 3 marks, 2 marks more in mathematics. So x plus 2 into 3 marks less, 30 minus x minus 3. Okay, 2 marks more, 3 marks less, product is 210. Okay, so this is my quadratic equation. So x plus 2, this is 27 minus x, that's equals to 210. Now if we multiply it, 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x, okay, that's equals to 210. Now this can be written as minus x square plus 25x plus 54 minus 210, that is equal to 0. That is equal to minus x square, this is plus 25x, this equals to 156. that's equals to 0. We are taking minus common, x square minus 25x plus 156, that's equal to 0. Now we factorize 156 over here. So this can be breaked as minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 equal to 0. Taking x common, x minus 12 minus 13 common, x minus 12, that's equal to 0. So this is x minus 12, x minus 13 equals to 0. So x equals to obviously either 12 or 13. Okay, so what is told here, they find the marks in the two subjects. So marks in maths equals to 12, marks in English equals to 30 minus 12, that is 18. This is the first case. Or marks in maths is 13, marks in English is equals to 30 minus 13, that is 17. So hope you are able to understand. Next, move to another question. So here, as we see, I am drawing the picture of this question. Here one point, diametrical point A and diametrical point B. Okay, and here the pole. So we have to told that the difference between the distance, difference between this distance is 7 centimeter. So we are taking that difference between B and the pole is x centimeter, and difference between A and the pole is x plus 7 centimeter. So for the distance between A and pole is equal to x centimeter, and distance between this is x plus 7 centimeter, and distance between B and pole is equal to x centimeter. Okay, so obviously difference is equal to x plus 7 minus x, that's equal to 7 centimeter. Understood? Now we have to examine that is it possible to do so? Is it possible to do so? Okay, we will do that by calculating this as a right triangle. If we take this as 90 degree, this is the hypotenuse, this is the height, and this is the base from the triangle. If we name it as pole P, so from triangle PAB, if we do, if we apply Pythagoras theorem over here, x plus 7 square plus x square equals to 13 square. Now, if any real value or any non-negative value of x occurs here, so we can told that it is possible to do so, and if it is not, then we told that it is not possible. Understood? So let's see.